Today I'm going to show you how I combine these traditional Indian flavors with classic chocolate truffle. This is one of my videos focused on celebration food recipes. Welcome to Kish Pastry. First, I'm going to boil this double cream and pour over dark chocolate to make ganache. Mix well, and I'm going to chill this in the fridge for 5 minutes. This is rose jam made out of rose petals, also called Gulkand. You can buy from an Indian shop. So I'm going to make small balls out of this jam and chill it in the fridge. And this is going to be the center of my truffle. Now I'm going to chop some cashew nut into small pieces. My ganache is ready. I'm going to take a little bit, press with my thumb and place this jam bowl in the middle and cover with ganache. Just make ganache bowl. So make all these bowls and chill it in the fridge for another 5 minutes. These ganache balls I just took out from the fridge. I'm going to roll again to get nice round shape, and I'm going to chill again in the fridge before I dip in chocolate. I'm going to melt this chocolate. This is to cover the truffles, and I'm adding a little bit of coconut oil to make it thinner because I want thin coating around the truffle. And cashew nuts goes in. Now it's the dipping time. I'm going to dip these truffles in this chocolate and cashew mix, and I'm going to place them on wire rack. I'm going to leave it for a few minutes and transfer them onto a parchment paper. I'm going to garnish these truffles with a little bit of gold leaves and gold dust, and this rose flavor really goes with dark chocolate truffle and crunchy cashew nut around. I really like this truffle. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe my channel. Check my other videos too. Any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you in next video.